Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be looking at how to take care of your lawn. Watering. The most important thing you can do for your new lawn is to water it regularly. In the first few weeks, you'll need to water your lawn every day. Please also remember to try not to walk on your new lawn within the first 3 weeks that it has been laid. After the initial period, water deeply but less frequently to encourage the roots to grow down into the soil. Mowing. Once your lawn has grown to about 6 inches tall, it's time to start mowing. Be sure to mow your lawn regularly, about once a week during the warmer weather. Set your mower to its highest blade height and never cut wet grass. Reducing the risk of damage from insects. Grass can be prone to insect infestation, such as leather jackets. Aerating your lawn regularly goes a long way to preventing these. If your lawn has been infected, you can treat your grass with nematodes, which can be applied September to early October. Pets. If you have a pet, remember that damage can be caused by your pet doing their business on the grass. To reduce the damage, hose down these areas after they have been in the garden, or even better, encourage your pets to do their business on their daily walks. In heavy rain, your garden could show areas of pooling. This should drain away a day or two after the rain stops. In areas with heavy clay soil, you may need to aerate the area with a fork to help with drainage. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.